Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to change the door seal on this Samsung dishwasher. Okay, so this is my daughter's dishwasher, and she said it started leaking a couple of months ago. It's about 6 years old, and there's a seal on the bottom there, and there's a seal down here. And if you look really close, these are kind of worn out a little bit. That one there, and then also that one there. So we're going to replace this. The seal probably in all cases will not be able to be purchased at a hardware store or an appliance store. So you'll need to get the model number and serial number and order it online. So the seal goes all the way around the door right here. And what my daughter did was she took the model number and serial number, and then she ordered this online. And this is the part number, and this is the seal that we're going to be replacing. So this seal should pull out fairly easy. It's all the way around that door. And now we're going to replace it with the new seal. So the seal has to go back a certain way. You've got this part that is inside the groove, and then this little part right here is going to go up against the dishwasher, and that's what actually going to create the seal along with this. So we're going to start. We're going to push that right in there. We're going to give it a little bit of space. That's what we started with. And then we're going to work this all the way around, pushing that in the groove there. So we've got that in there. And we're going to make sure we get it all the way pushed in, and then we're going to trim it to the proper size. So I got the new dishwasher seal in place. We ran it through a complete cycle. There's no water on the ground, so it looks like we did our job. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.